RainPoint. Upgraded timer setup and mastery, cycle and soak, save water in 5 minutes flat. Brown lawn? Water bill sky high? Vacation panic? Stop the sprinkler struggle. RainPoint upgraded timer fixes it all, no PhD required. The product contains one zone water timer, an Intel filter, a Teflon tape and a user manual. Wrap the connection part of the faucet with Teflon tape to achieve better sealing. Install the timer. Turn the dial to set clock. Press and hold OK button to change the 12-hour or 24-hour time format. When changing to the 12H time format, the screen will show AM or PM above the hour number. Plus or minus button to set the current time. Use the OK button to confirm and switch between hours or minutes. Turn the dial clockwise to save the changes in this step and go to next step. Tips: if you choose the 12-hour format, please note AM or PM. Turn the dial to start time. Use plus or minus button to set the time you want to start watering. Use the OK button to switch between hours or minutes. Turn the dial clockwise to save the changes in this step and go to next step. Turn the dial to how long. Use plus or minus button to select the watering time from 1 minute to 3 hours and 59 minutes, that is, 1 minute to 4 hours. Use the OK button to switch between hours or minutes. Use the cycle and soak button to set the cycle soak mode you want. There are 3 modes to choose from: 3:15, 5:30, 10:30. 3M 15M means water for 3 minutes and let the soil absorb water for 15 minutes. 5M 30M means water for 5 minutes and let the soil absorb water for 30 minutes. 10M 30M means water for 10 minutes and let the soil absorb water for 30 minutes. Cycle and soak example 1. The cycle and soak mode lasts for 3:15. The start time is set at 8 AM. The how long setting is 9 minutes. The timer will water for 3 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for 15 minutes, then water again for 3 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for another 15 minutes, and then water again for 3 minutes. The irrigation time is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 minutes. The total irrigation time is 3 plus 15 plus 3 plus 15 plus 3 is equal to 39 minutes. The valve close time is 8:39 AM. Cycle and soak example 2. The cycle and soak mode lasts for 5:30. The start time is set at 9 AM. The how long setting is 15 minutes. The timer will water for 5 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for 30 minutes, then water again for 5 minutes, allowing the soil to absorb for another 30 minutes, and then water again for 5 minutes. The irrigation time is 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 minutes. The total irrigation time is 5 plus 30 plus 5 plus 30 plus 5 is equal to 75 minutes. The valve close time is 10:15 AM. If you don't want to use the cycle and soak mode, just turn the knob to how long, then press the cycle and soak button until it shows colon. Then, the water timer will cycle according to the duration and frequency you set in the how long and how often options. Turn the dial to how often. Use plus or minus button to set the watering frequency. You can choose to water every 12 hours, or every 1 to 7 days. Turn the dial clockwise to save the changes in this step and go to next step. Turn dial to on. The LCD screen will display the current time and the next time to start watering. If you turn on the cycle and soak mode, it will also display the cycle and soak duration ratio. Now you can keep the faucet open and let the water timer automatically irrigate your yard. Note 1, turning the dial and not in the on state. It will stop all watering plans and will not start automatically. The automatic watering plans will only be executed when the dial is in the on state. Note 2, turn the dial and then back to on. If the current real-time time has exceeded the set start time, all watering plans for the day will be skipped, and the automatic watering program will start watering at the frequency you set from the start time of the next day. If the start time of the automatic watering plan of the day has not yet arrived, the watering plan will be executed normally from the start time of the day according to the frequency you set. Rain delay. Rain delay allows you to postpone watering for a set period of time, and it will not interrupt your original schedule. To access the rain delay, follow the steps below. With the dial on, press delay button for 3 to 5 seconds to start the delay watering function. There will be a delay period on the screen which default 24 hours. You can press button plus or minus to choose the delay period from 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours. Press OK button to run the delay function after selecting the delay time, and all watering plans will be skipped during this period. To remove rain delay, hold the delay button for 3 to 5 seconds again to resume your programmed watering schedule. Note, please remember to press the OK button after selecting the rain delay time to start the rain delay program. Otherwise, the rain delay setting will automatically exit after the screen flashes for 3 to 5 seconds. Manual or hand watering. This function allows you to manually water without interrupting your set watering schedule. To access this feature, please follow the steps below. Turn the dial to on. Press and hold the manual button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter the manual watering mode. Press the plus or minus buttons to adjust the manual watering time from 1 minute to 7 hours 59 minutes. The default manual watering time is 10 minutes. After setting the watering time, press the OK button to start manual watering and the pattern will be displayed on the screen. If you need to stop the manual watering, please hold the manual button for 3 to 5 seconds to exit the manual watering mode and restore the original watering program. Off mode. If you wish to stop the watering plan for an extended period, turn the dial to off. Your settings are saved. The timer will not water automatically while in off mode. The screen will display the word off in large letters. To start watering automatically again, turn the dial back to on to resume your programmed watering schedule. Tips: after turning it back to on, please pay attention to the first watering time. Stop running water. If the timer is watering and you want to stop it, please turn on and cancel manual watering. The current watering will be skipped, but subsequent watering schedules will not be affected.